Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to start a Toyota Highlander with a key. First, sit in the driver's seat and ensure the gear is in park, press the brake, and insert the key. Turn the key to the on position to power accessories, wait a moment for warning lights to stabilize, then turn fully to start until the engine fires. If it fails, try again after a short pause while monitoring sounds. Now I'll walk through simple safety checks and common troubleshooting steps to help you start reliably. Check the key for damage, verify the battery voltage is sufficient, and confirm there is fuel. Ensure the steering wheel lock is disengaged by gently turning the wheel while turning the key, and make sure the brake pedal is fully depressed. If you hear clicking, the battery may be weak, so try a jump or test the battery. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals and guides anywhere, with a sharp display and long battery life. I find it handy to keep reference material at hand when troubleshooting, and it fits in a glove box easily. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep spare keys and know how to use the physical key to access the ignition if the fob battery dies. Avoid forcing the key if it resists, as that can damage the tumbler, and replace worn keys promptly. Consider cleaning the key slot with compressed air and using a battery maintainer if the vehicle sits long, and consult a professional locksmith or dealer for persistent ignition issues to prevent further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.